Christmas decorating rules. Stop before you decorate your home for Christmas. Christmas decorating isn't just about throwing lights everywhere. When it's done right, your home feels magical. Today, I'm sharing the Christmas decorating rules that actually make a difference. Choose a color palette before you start. Red, green, gold, modern white and silver, cozy neutrals. If you mix everything, your home looks chaotic instead of festive. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors. Less is more. More decorations do not mean better decorations. One well-decorated tree looks better than 5 cluttered corners. Start with lighting. Lighting sets the mood. Before ornaments, before decor, add the lights first. Warm white lights instantly make any space feel cozy and Christmas ready. Focus on key areas. You don't need to decorate every inch of your home. Focus on high-impact areas. The Christmas tree, the front door, the living room, the dining table. Decorating everything actually makes nothing stand out. Keep it balanced. Balance matters. If one side of the room is heavily decorated and the other side is empty, it feels off. Step back and look. Does it feel even? Match your style. Your Christmas decorations should match your home style. Modern home? Go minimal. Traditional home? Go classic. Don't copy trends that don't fit your space. Add one personal touch. The best Christmas homes always have something personal. Family ornaments. Handmade decor. A memory from a past Christmas. That's what makes it feel real, not just Pinterest perfect. Don't rush. Christmas decorating isn't a race. Enjoy the process. Put on music. Take your time. That's part of the magic. Now that you know the rules, you're ready to decorate the right way. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment which rule surprised you the most.